Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Let's talk track bars for a minute. More specifically, rear track bars. Now, in a solid axle coil spring configuration like the latest Bronco and the Jeep since the TJ, the track bar is going to help center the rear axle. And the way it does this is it sits at an angle, it's attached to the frame on one side and the axle on the other. That's great, except when you lift the vehicle, it's going to want to pull the axle to one side. The way to combat that, there are two ways. You can use bracketry to relocate the mounting point on the axle or the frame, or you can use an adjustable rear track bar, which is what we have for you today. We've got our forged adjustable rear track bar for the latest model Ford Bronco. It is solid steel forged. It's going to have Cleveite bushings on both ends for long life and durability. And as you can see here, it is fully adjustable to make sure that you've got that rear end dialed in and dead center. This track bar is compatible with 0 to up to 7 inches of lift, so it is the perfect accompaniment to any and all kits we offer for the Bronco. For this and every other Bronco accessory you could possibly ever want, be sure to check us out at roughcountry.com.